Craving a soft, chocolatey dessert but don't want to bake? This Nutella swirl marble mug cake is rich, fluffy, and ready in just 1 minute. It's got the perfect mix of vanilla and chocolate, with a gooey Nutella finish on top. And the best part, you only need a mug and a few simple ingredients. Let's get started. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a tiny pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix so everything is evenly combined. This helps your cake rise soft and fluffy. Now pour in 3 tablespoons of milk, any kind of milk works here, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it well until you get a smooth, lump-free batter. Take 1 tablespoon of this batter into a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and ½ teaspoon of milk, and mix until smooth. Now add this chocolate batter back into the mug and gently swirl it with a toothpick to create that marble effect. Microwave on high for about 60 seconds. The cake should rise beautifully and stay soft in the center. While it's still warm, spread 1 teaspoon of Nutella on top and finish with a few chocolate sprinkles. And that's it. A soft, rich Nutella marble mug cake in just minutes. Perfect for those quick dessert cravings. Try it out and tell me how yours turned out. Follow for more easy microwave desserts because dessert should always be this simple.